is an urgent alert. Please stand by. The following tones will activate the emergency alert system.
A tornado watch has been issued for Belmont County, Carroll County, Columbiana County, Coshocton County, Guernsey County, Harrison County, Jefferson County, Muskingum County, Tuscarawas County, Allegheny County, Armstrong County, Beaver County, Butler County, Clarion County, Lawrence County, Mercer County, Venango County, Washington County, Westmoreland County, Brooke County, Hancock County, and Ohio County, effective until 11:27 p.m.